Hello, and today I'm making this video just to show you the review of the new Crown Professional Angle Grinder. It's a CT13506, that's the code, and you can see here spindle thread, variable speed, which is awesome, and lock on soft grip. So let's see what's the contents inside. And the Crown is one of the best companies in China that produces angle grinders and impact drills, lots of electrical equipment. And we can see here it comes with the manual, and I can see a Crown Professional brochure. See, they are showing you the products, all the Crown products they have. You can see in this paper all the Crown products. They make good marketing though. See? Let me show you what they have here. All of these is the Crown products with their codes. And on the other side, wow, you can see all the grinding machines and all the Crown products, impact drills, some other products like grinding machines, all types of grinding machines, and angle grinders as well. And I wonder what is that. Oh, it's a drill? Okay. Cordless drills. Wow. They made a cordless drilling machine? Wow, that's wonderful. So as you can see in this, you can see all the Crown products. Just flip it like that. And it's back. As well as it comes with the manual. It tells you how to install the angle grinder parts and stuff. And it comes with an original warranty from Crown. Okay, so here is the manual and